Welcome to Amaya channel. Now we are going to study maths and we are going to do real numbers, some very important question based on HCF and LCM and based on multiple factors. So prime factorization part also we are going to discuss. So one question is there, a box is there, box is containing X. See, these type of easy questions they are giving in board exam. Now tell me what will be the answer. Fast. You have to find the value of, sorry, here I missed. You have to find the value of X and Y. Come on. May I solve the question? But look here, it is very easy. 15 and 3 is there now. When they will multiply, they will give Y value. So 13 into 5. X value is 585. Akshay is telling. Y value beta. So here 13 into 5. 13 5s are 65. So Y value is coming 65. Now 195 into 3. That is 3 5s are 15, 3 are 27, 28, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 585. Correct. Easy. And 1 mark is in your pocket. Is this question tough? Is it looking tough, beta? See how easy that question was. Very good. So are you ready for next question? Let's see who will answer it first. Ready? Wow. S. Kavya raised hand. She is ready. Kamya ready? Everyone ready? Auntie, I thought the one written below. No, beta, no problem. Mistakes. See, in the beginning section, I too did that division part. Maths means some mistakes are coming, but overcoming it and again doing it and again practicing it is the best one. Okay. Okay, Yaini, are you telling me to wait or you are ready? Okay, Janani, I am giving you enough time, beta, do it. Find X, Y, Z value. And your time starts now. Okay. I started getting answer. Muhammad Arif is telling 111305565. But beta, which one is X value? Which one is Y value? Abhiram is telling 5565 Y value. Matumita, Kamya is also giving X and Y value. Janani is giving Y value. What about X, Z? Yes. Complete answer is given by Kaushika Sri. Madhumita only give one. Rashri, Y value she is giving. Abhirami, X value. V Kavya. Wow, V Kavya is present. Who said V Kavya is absent? Huh? 5565. Akshaya, XYZ. XYZ. S Kavya has given all the three answers. Fantabulous. Kamya has given all the three XYZ value. V Kavya gave X value. Janani gave X value. Auntie, you should find the value of x, y. Therefore, x first, then y second. Yes, beta. No problem. But Arif, all the three values. Fine. So Yaini has given all the three values. Abhirami, z value. Kritika, 3 into 185. Correct only, beta. Now look here. How to get that z? How to get that z? See, look here. 371 divided by 7 will give you z value. Because beta, these two multiplied and it gave 371. Na? So if 371 will be divided by 7, it will give, so 7 5s are 35, 53. So here z is coming 53. Once z came 53, 1855 into 3. So it is coming 5565. And 5565 into 2 is 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 113. 2 5s are 10, 111. 2 5s are 10, 111. Easy. Yes, yes, Kavya, that is correct only, beta. 371 divided by 7. So I think if this type of question, and you know what, these two questions, what you solved, it already came in CBSE exam. So this question, what I gave you, came in 2050, sorry, 2050, 2015. Yes, 2015, this question came in DDEM exam, that is board exam term 1. It came already. So both question, what it came in board exam, back to back you have solved. Now I'm giving you a question, it came in 2012, very old question, 2012 I am giving, okay? So beta, whenever you are solving any question, side you write 2012. Whichever question, okay, that is a factor related question, beta. These are factor related question. Right now, where we are? We are in prime factorization, linear combination, HCF, LCM. That section we are doing these questions. Okay, Kamya. Fine. So we are doing that pattern questions. Okay, 2012 question. Sorry. Let's see how fast you will give the answer. How fast you are answering? I have added two sentences together. Mathematician, didn't wasting time. Okay, Janani 6762, Akshaya Y is 1127, S Kavya 6762 is X. Arif has given 6762 X value, 1127 Y value, and Z value 27. Well done, Arif. Akshay is telling X is equal to 6762. Tawfiq is telling Z is equal to 23. Akshay is telling 23. Z. Madhumita is telling 6762. All three value Madhumita has given 1127, 23. X B Kabe has given all the three answers. Very good. And fine. Kaushika Shri, Hemlata, Janani, S. Kavya, Yaini, Rashri, all has given the answer. V. Kavya has given the answer. Anyone else? S. Kavya, Abhirami has given the answer. Yaini is giving the answer. P. Janani is giving Z value. Hemlata, X value. Super. Very good. So Kritika has given all the three values X, Y, Z. Janani has given all the three values X, Y, Z. Okay. Annie has given Z value. Annie, X and Y value, beta. Some. Did you learn anything today? Anything learned? P. Dharni has given all the three value. Okay, Kamya S. Yes, auntie. You know what, beta? You see one small thing before solving this question. Correct, beta. Thank you, S. Kavya. Now look here, beta. I want to tell you one thing. Just remember this. Some children have a very good speed of solving. You have to match up to that speed and give them a tough fight. Your 3-hour paper you have to finish in 2 hours 30 minutes, and half an hour I want you to just check your paper as a teacher, not as a student. Okay, so 161 divided by 7. So Z is coming 23. Y is 7. Okay. Three three eight one multiplied to 2. 161 multiplied to 7, and 7 multiplied to 23 is giving 121. So Z value is coming 23, Y value is 1127, and X value is 6762. Look here, beta, your speed will only give you victory. So multiplication and all that work, practice is very much needed. Okay. Next question. What is the HCF of all this? Super. I missed. Ari, Rashri, Kavya, V Kavya, S Kavya, Kritika, everyone is telling K. Super. Very good. Abhiram is telling K. Janani, Hemlata, Annie, Madhumita, everyone is telling K. Yaini, Sri Bhavani, everyone is telling K as answer. Dharani also, Kamya also, Mustafa also. HCF is K. Super. Where is Ajay? Now, beta, K, 2K, that is 2 into K, 3K, 3 into K, 4K, 4 into K, 5K, 5 into K. So K, only K is coming common. So HCF is K. 1 mark question. Which year this question came for 1 mark? 2015. Now you understood. I'm giving you dates, years also, which year the question came. So after what you call, you just write these questions also in your note. In tuition note, all these questions must be there. Okay, fine. Next class, what we will do, we will study same part, some word problems we'll be doing. Did you enjoy today's class? Learned anything? Chemistry, physics? Oh, only chemistry. Very good. Chemistry and maths. Fine, beta. We will meet in next class. Bye for now. I'm sending you the recording.